Hello children, how are you all? This is your computer teacher Chaitra. So let us continue with the first chapter, Meet the Computer, part B. So in the part B we are going to learn about working with the computer. So part A, hope you have seen the videos. Part A, we have learned computer and machine, then types of computers. So computer and machine, we have learned what is a computer and how it's a machine. So machine are nothing but the man-made things. And what is a computer? Computer is again a machine which runs on the electricity. And the types of computer is desktop, laptop and palm top. So hope you have seen all this. Now let us continue with how to work with the computer. So in the last class we learned about computer and the different types of computers. Now let us begin with the part B, which is working with the computer. So he's asking, so now you know how to switch on the computer? Yeah, little I know. Let us see the steps one by one. Children, in this part B we are going to learn how to switch on the system and how to switch off the system. So let us see the steps. So steps to switch on the computer. So can you just see in the image? So she is switching on the power supply. Hope you know computer is a machine which runs on the electricity, that is power supply. So all the wires has to be connected to the power supply. So whatever doing first we have to on the power supply first. Next we are going to on the UPS. So what do you mean by UPS is uninterrupted power supply. Why? Because suddenly if the power goes off, then all the information which is stored in the computer will get erased. So we need a extra thing, that is UPS. So which after once the power goes, it immediately get on and all the data can be saved. Next is switch on the CPU. So can you just see she is switching on the CPU there, CPU button. Next is switch on the monitor. So you need to switch on the monitor and you get a desktop screen. This is the computer screen where you will be start working. So hope you know the steps children. Once again I'll tell you, you need to switch on the power supply, then switch on the UPS, then you're going to switch on the CPU, central processing unit, then switch on the monitor, and then you're going to see the computer screen where you're going to start working with the computer. Now, next let us see the steps to switch off the system. So once you are going to switch on the system, so if you directly switch off the power supply, what will happen? Again the data what you have, if you have not saved the data or any information inside the system, it will get erased. So it should not happen, right? So there you need to follow some steps. So first you are going to click on the start button. On the desktop screen you find a button like this which is nothing but the start button. Then you are going to click on the shutdown button. So then you are going to say it will ask for the shutdown. Yes. Then you are going to switch off the monitor. First you are going to switch off the monitor. Then next you are going to switch off the CPU. Next you are going to switch off the UPS. Next you are going to switch off the power button. So children, directly you are not going to switch off the power button because all the data information, if it is not saved, it will get erased. That should not happen, right? Because computer is mainly used for solving problems, calculating something. So when with all the data will be stored inside the computer. So if you do like this, then all the data will get erased. So you can't do some calculations or you can't do some problems. Again I will repeat it. So this is steps to switch off the computer. You're going to click on the start button, next shutdown button, then you're going to switch off the monitor, then you're going to switch off the CPU, then you're going to switch off the UPS, then last you're going to switch off the power button. So you should be careful while switching off the power button. Now, so please see your textbook, that is page number 13. Rearrange the steps to start a computer. So you have to rearrange the steps. I have already done to you. Turn on the main supply, turn on the CPU, that is turn on the UPS is the second step, and turn on the CPU is the third step, and turn on the monitor is the fourth step. It's already given clearly, so you need to rearrange it children. Arrange the compartment of the train in the right order to get the names of the electronic devices. So hope you have seen in the part A some of the electronic devices. So the compartments are given here. So you need to arrange it. So what is the first compartment? MAI. Second is the NFRAME. That is nothing but mainframe computer. The big computers are nothing but the mainframe computers. Next, first is TEL, Tele, EVISION. Television. You know, you have seen the TV, that is television. Next is desktop computer. DESKTOP. That is desktop computer. So next is palm top. PALMTOP. So that is palm top. So you have to arrange the letters. All the letters are jumbled. So according to the compartment, you are going to write it. So next, number the devices according to their size. So I have started with the small size. So you can start with the bigger one also. So you have seen that this is the mainframe computer, which is the bigger one. Next, so I have done with the mobile phone, that is the smallest device one. Second one is goes to your palm top. Third is your laptop. Fourth is your personal computer, desktop PC, and fifth is the mainframe computer. So I have numbered according to the from the smaller to the bigger. So please go through it and you please do it. Next, rearrange the steps to switch off the computer. There first we did the steps to switch on. Next, now we are going to do it to switch off the computer. So first is start button. Second is the shutdown button. Next is power of the monitor. Next is UPS and then the power supply. So first is the start button. Second one is the shutdown button. Next you have to power off the monitor, then UPS and then main supply. Next, stick the related pictures. So all the pictures which are given in the last page, please stick the related pictures. So go through the last page and stick it, children. This is the activity for you. Telephone, television, mobile, laptop, tablet and DVD player. Now connect the related functions. So some functions are given here. You need to relate it. Please don't draw lines. This is for your reference. You please number it. So watch movies. So where we are going to watch the movies? Through the television. Next, listen music. So where we are going to listen the music? Through speakers. Do calculations. Who will do the calculations? Your calculator. Then call friends. How we are going to call friends? Using the telephone. So please don't draw lines. This is for your reference. So please write the numbers as have written. Next, given stickers at the last page, please stick according as given in the image. Children, check the grid lines. So all the things are given here. You need to check each grid line. So what is grid? Each square is given. So you need to check what image comes in this square and what image comes in this square, and you are going to make a computer. One more activity for you. Please do it carefully. All the stickers are given at the last page. So thank you, children. Have a nice day. If you have any queries or doubts, please ask me. So this completes your chapter 1. So since all the things are activities are given in the textbook, no need for the class work. So you please complete. You just stick the pictures and stick the pictures. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.